If you need to reset your password for your Liberty Mutual account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the Liberty Mutual website. Go to the official Liberty Mutual website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on a Forgot Password. On the Sign In page, you will see a link labeled Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Liberty Mutual. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements, and confirm it by entering it again. Save your changes to complete the process. Now you can log into your Liberty Mutual account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.